Our first stop, the Mirik Lake and the Gopaldhara.
There are two routes from NJP to Manebhanjan. Route 1 via Mirik, Pashupati Market and Sukhya Pokri. Route 2 via Karsyang, Ghum. After countless try, I finally set off for Sandakphu, my dreamland. I always loved the mountains, their silence, their strength, their soul. Last year, my health held me back, but this year I am going stronger and steadier and filled with hope, armed with medicines, courage, and mind that refuses to give up. I am ready. Just me, my boots, and the path ahead. Yay! Sandakphu! My childhood friend Aditi was my partner. A secured journey at Jatri Shathi. Entered my name, Aadhaar number, the details of the vehicle, and the destination. Vote korbo. Entry kora hoye geche, and we will now move towards Manebhanjan, but on the way we will have lunch. This is Ashit Bhaiya. Good morning, good morning. Chose the route that best fits my travel preferences. Route 1 via Mirik. A scenic drive through the tea gardens and pine forest. Opportunity to stop at Mirik Lake and Pashupati Market for shopping. Less traffic and more picturesque compared to the main highway. সামনে পাহাড় দেখা যাচ্ছে, আকাশটা মেঘলা, হালকা বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। Departing from NJP, you will first navigate through the bustling town of Shiliguri. This segment is relatively straightforward with well-maintained roads and urban surroundings. Shiliguri to Rohini is approximately 20 kilometers. The road begins to ascend gently as you enter the Rohini area. This stretch offers a mix of forested areas and tea gardens, providing a glimpse of the region's natural beauty. We are crossing Balasong River. It runs south into the plains of North Bengal, joining Mahananda River. The final leg of the journey involves winding mountain roads with sharp bends and steep climbs. As you approach Mirik, the landscape transforms into a serene setting of pine forest and rolling hills. As we wound our way up the hillside, a delightful sight greeted us, a playful band of monkeys perched along the roadside barriers. They seemed to be enjoying the morning sun and each other's company, adding a touch of wild charm to our scenic drive. Watching them leap and chatter brought smiles to our faces, making the journey feel even more alive and enchanting. পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয়ুষে চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে আরেকটিবার আইরে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখ দুঃখের কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তা। খালি ছবি তুলছি জানেন, so beautiful place. আমরা যেখানে খুশি দাঁড়াচ্ছি, যেখানে খুশি ছবি তুলছি, we are just enjoying. একটু আগে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল, এখন আকাশ পরিষ্কার, অনেকটা পরিষ্কার, নিচ থেকে দেখাচ্ছে, ওই যে নিচটা দেখা যাচ্ছে, এই যে আমার পাশে এখন পড়েছে। My favorite yellow flowers. Oh, there's something about the clouds.
that reminded me of Robindra Sangit tune. হৃদয় আকাশে কেন মেঘ আসে, হৃদয় আকাশে তোমারে দেখিতে দেয় না মোহ। Just like the hills of North Bengal, no matter how many times I visit, it never feels enough to truly take in their beauty. পাহাড়ের কোলে মেঘের আনাগোনা যেন স্বপ্নের জগতের দুয়ার খুলে দেয়। At the last lap of our journey led us to the Mirik. Clouds kissed the emerald hills and the deep valleys unfolded like a dream. In that serene embrace of nature, I felt an overwhelming sense of solace and quiet joy, as if the world has paused just for me. Mirik Lake, also known as Shumendu Lake, rests like a shimmering jewel amidst the pine-covered hills, encircled by a charming footbridge and flanked by vibrant gardens on one side and thick forest on the other.
লাস্ট ইয়ার অক্টোবরে এসে মনটা খারাপ হয়ে গেছিল, এবছর এই সময়ে দারুণ লাগছে। মান্থ অফ এপ্রিল এটা। সুন্দর লাগছে, দারুণ আনন্দ হচ্ছে। ये आदित्य आजा 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 आजा, बहुत मजा कर रहे हैं, দারুণ মজা হচ্ছে। ফেরার সময় আমরা বোটিং করব, এখন আমাদের টাইম কম, তাই জন্য আমরা ঝট করে একটা ভিজিট করে we will be moving towards গোপালধারা টি এস্টেট। 10 বার এলেও এই জায়গা পুরনো হবে না। It's such a beautiful place. 3 ঘন্টার মধ্যে পৌঁছে গেলাম মিরিক লেক। Cactus surrounded by flowers. Mirik Lake.
The lake mirrors the sky, the mountains with gentle grace. Boating on its calm waters with floating mist and chirping birds around offers a tranquil escape into nature's peaceful lap.
मिक्स खाबो। हाँ, अब टेस्टी होगा। थैंक यू भैया।
The Gopaldhara Tea Estate is situated approximately 5 kilometers from Mirik town, making it convenient and scenic drive of about 15 to 20 minutes. This short journey takes you through the lush landscape of Darjeeling Hills, offering panoramic views of rolling tea gardens and mist-covered valleys. Established in 1881, Gopaldhara Tea Estate is one of the highest tea gardens in Darjeeling, with elevations ranging from 5,500 to 7,000 feet. The estate spans over 320 hectares with 172 hectares dedicated to tea cultivation. The high altitude and the cool temperature contribute to the production of premium Darjeeling teas, including black, green, white, and oolong varieties. Visitors to the tea estate can enjoy guided tours that showcase the tea making process from plucking to processing. The estate also offers tea tasting sessions, allowing the guests to savor the distinct flavors and the aromas of their teas. The surrounding area, including the nearby hamlet of Tabakoshi, provides additional opportunities for exploration and experiencing the serene beauty of this region.
চা বাগানের মধ্যে এখন হাঁটু ব্যথা ফেথা কিচ্ছু নেই, কিন্তু কে বলবে যে উই আর এজিং। such a lovely place. ওই যে অদিতি আসছে নিচে, আয় সাবধানে আয়।
Please do watch my vlog on Shitong, Ahaldara, Jogighat. It's a beautiful vlog. I'm sharing my link below in the description and the card is here. You can tap on this. Hope you liked this vlog. Please do give a like to it. Keep yourself hooked up to my channel to watch a beautiful offbeat place in my next vlog.